Jonathan here with Darrow, Kia of Madison. Today I wanted to talk about some of the options we have for protecting you for the duration of your lease. So Kia, with their leases, they're on balance pretty generous. They include gap insurance. If you ever total your vehicle, something bad happens, you would never be responsible for any discrepancy between the amount that your payoff is and what your insurance company will give you a check for. Now, they're also fairly generous in terms of what they allow for wear and tear, etc. But there are things that they would charge you for, and you are responsible for your maintenance during the lease. Now, what's great about leasing a vehicle from us is that we cover your first 3 oil changes with any vehicle you get from us. However, if you're interested in prepaying for your maintenance for the duration of the lease, we have options where you can do so at a discounted price. Beyond that, we've also got packages to cover if you ever lose or break a key fob, if you ever wind up with dents in your car, any of the things that Kia would charge you if you were to return your vehicle at the end of the lease and there was an issue with. So if you have any questions about any of these options, or if you're looking to buy or lease a new vehicle, call or stop by today. We'll provide you all the information to help you make the best decision possible.